You know what's crazy? Yeezys are gone from the market. And let's be real, they're probably never coming back. But here's the thing. You can still grab them at kickwho.cc. I picked up the updated Yeezy 700 V2 Static for $125, and with my code DECENT20, you save another 10. That's a steal. This is one of those pairs that just works for everything. Soft, super comfortable, and built for daily wear. You can rock them with slim pants, wide fits, or even shorts. They just look right. And honestly, since Adidas cut ties with Yeezy, I see these as a future-proof pickup. Grab a pair now, stash them, and you'll thank yourself later. Right now, when I'm out in the city, or even just at the grocery store, nobody's wearing Yeezys anymore. Most pairs out there are beat to the ground, so walking in these feels like I'm wearing something rare, something people double take on. For sizing, go half a size up, or stick to your true size if you're fine with a snug fit. I went slightly bigger to avoid toe pressure, and they feel perfect. Quality from Kickwho is on point. Shape, materials, stitching, everything. It's exactly how this model should feel. So yeah, Yeezys might be history, but this is your chance to still own one of the cleanest pairs they ever made. Check out kickwho.cc, use DECENT20 for 10 off, and lock these down while you still can.